Basically, I'm going to explain about this attenuator circuit. It is an adjustable attenuator circuit. If you want to change the signal waveform, basically these kind of circuit is used for that. As you can see, there is a input signal and there is a spike over here. And in that output signal, by using this circuit, there is a spike is removed. So by using this kind of circuit, we can remove the spike. As you can see, there is a one resistor over here. This resistor is used for reducing the current in the circuit that can damage these kind of component. That's why it is used here. And there is a one diode. One is like, as you can see, there is a one polarity in this single line is cathode, negative one, you can say it, positive one is anode. So as you already know that if you want to flow that current, like if you want to flow the current in the circuit, the direction should be same. Like what I'm telling, that if this is a positive, this is a negative, so what should be, how the current will flow? It will flow from like positive to negative. It will not flow from negative to positive, the current. Okay, so the direction, the polarity should be same. Okay, so what is happening here? There is a one potentiometer, or you can take says that it is a variable resistor. It is a variable resistor. So basically this resistor is used for changing the voltage level, or increasing the resistance, or decreasing the resistance. By using this one, we change the threshold voltage of this one, VTH. We change the VTH value of this board diode. So what happened, that there is a, see, this signal, input signal is a different signal, different voltage, and the variable voltage is different, both are different. So if you want to like if you want to reduce the voltage of it, like if you're giving plus minus 10 volt, if you are giving plus minus 10 volt, you will get, if you want to plus minus 3 volt. So what you will do, you will do the variation here, and by the variation, the threshold voltage will be changed. Okay, and when the threshold voltage will change, this threshold voltage, what will be happen, that if you someone is applying 10 volt here, and this is a positive 10 volt, it means if the positive 10 volt is coming here, so that 10 volt will not flow from negative to positive. As you know, in diode only the direction should be same. So as you can see, this is a positive, this is a positive, it means the current will flow from here to here. It means this path will work. So if someone is applying 10 volt here, so if the threshold voltage is 6 volt, if the threshold voltage is 6 volt, so what will be happened here, the output will be the 6 volt here. Okay, understand, the output will, how much output will come, 6 volt output will come. Understand. After that, if someone is applying, here like if someone is applying here minus 10 volt, so what will be happened here, this minus and this minus matching, it means the conduction of the electron will come from here. Okay, it will flow from here. There is a no current, the current will not flow, so the path will be this one. Okay, so the path will be this one, so it means the electron will flow here, and this variable resistor will work, as well as it is also a voltage divider circuit. Okay, so what will be happen, it will also create the threshold voltage. If you drag it now, you can change the threshold voltage of it. There is a threshold voltage, you can change it, the threshold voltage of the any diode. So if you are changing the threshold voltage of this one, so what will be happen, this will not exceed, the output voltage will not exceed the that threshold voltage. If the threshold voltage is 6 volts, so output will be the like minus 6 volt, so output will not exceed the from the minus 6 volt. Understand. So if someone is if the frequency, like if someone is applying positive and negative both signals here, so what will be happened here, if someone is applying positive negative both signals here, so what, the positive signal will go from here to here, and it will be like, it will be changed from positive 6 volt, and if the negative signal is going from here to here, so it will be create negative 6 volt. So this signal will be like this, positive 6 volt, negative 6 volt. Same as that, the variation will be happened, and you can change the further signal, and the other thing will be eliminated by these using these diode. Thank you so much for coming on this channel. If you want more video, don't forget to like and subscribe.